Welcome, student. It is the experiment number 1 of thermal engineering lab. In this experiment, we study of working 4-stroke petrol and 4-stroke diesel engine with help of cut section model. In this experiment, apparatus is model of 4-stroke engine. Now first we discuss about 4-stroke petrol or 4-stroke diesel engine. In 4-stroke petrol engine, where the fuel is petrol. In 4-stroke diesel engine, also called compression engine, which is diesel engine. In 4-stroke engine, as you see in the name, 4-stroke means in this engine the crank is a rotate or rotate 720 degree centigrade. It's mean 2 rotation. Okay, now we discuss first as is show in this figure. In this figure, as you see, the first stroke is suction stroke, or as you see in intake stroke. In suction stroke, that is the cross section area of a 4-stroke engine. A crankshaft, a connecting rod which is connected with piston, a cylinder, a exhaust valve, a intake valve, spark plug for SI engine. It's mean spark ignition engine. There is the way where air fuel mixture is drawn into the cylinder. In suction stroke, as you see, the piston move downward direction, and due to the because the piston move downward direction, there is the formation of vacuum. So inlet valve is open and air fuel mixture is come into this chamber. Now when the half circle of crankshaft is complete, then the other stroke is started, that is called compression stroke. In compression stroke, the inlet and outlet valve both are closed. Now the air fuel mixture is compressed by the piston at high temperature or high pressure. After this process, when the piston achieve the top dead center, after the spark plug ignite a fire. This spark generate a explosion in the cylinder. The all air fuel mixture is burned, and now the piston move in downward direction. That is power stroke or ignition stroke. After this, the last stroke is exhaust stroke. In exhaust stroke, the piston move to upward direction, and the exhaust valve is open. Now the open exhaust valve is give exhaust gate or exhausting way to burn gases. That is the SI, spark ignition or petrol engine work. Now we discuss about the 4-stroke diesel engine with the help of same diagram. In this diagram, as you see, the spark plug which is replaces by injector. sorry, the fuel injector. This injector, in this method we not use the air fuel mixture. In this process, in compression ignition, or we call diesel engine, in diesel engine, both both we have a replace the spark plug with the fuel injector. In this method, first the air is drawn from inlet valve, and first process is intake or suction stroke is completed due to when the gases which is present in the cylinder is compressed to high pressure and high temperature. After this process, the compression is started, and compressor make the gases to high pressure and high temperature. After this process, the valve, inlet valve is closed, and now we move to power stroke or ignition stroke. In power stroke or ignition stroke, the fuel injector spray the droplets, small droplets of diesel in the cylinder chamber. Due to the high temperature or high pressure of the present gases, they make help to burn the diesel spray, and a explosion is formed which force the piston to move in downward direction. After this downward direction, the half rotation, next stroke, the exhaust, the piston move in upward direction, and outlet valve also open, which is used to exhaust the burned gases from the cylinder. So simply difference between the spark ignition engine or compression ignition engine is, in spark ignition engine we use spark plug, or in compression ignition engine we use the fuel injector. That is the process of 4-stroke ignition engine. Now we discuss about the construction detail. The suction stroke. During suction stroke, air is the induced through the inlet valve. Compression, the air is induced, is compressed into the clearance volume. The expansion, fuel injection start nearly at the end of the compression stroke. The rate of injection such that the combustion maintain the pressure constant in spite of the piston movement on its expansion stroke increase the volume. After injection of the fuel, the product of the combustion chamber expand, exhaust, the piston travel from bottom dead center to top dead center, pushes out the product of combustion out of cylinder. The some parts of the engine is made with the different materials, like cylinder, which is made from cast iron alloying style method by the casting. Cylinder head, which is made by the cast iron or aluminum alloy. Piston, the cast iron and aluminum alloy. Wrist or piston pin, steel. Piston rings, silicon cast iron. Valves, especially alloy steel. Connecting rod, which is made by steel. Crankshaft, alloy shaft. Cylinder, cast iron, nickel, alloy steel. Bearings, metal, bronze. That is our topic, which is 4-stroke petrol and diesel engine. In this diagram, as you see, the piston have some rings. The rings, that is called piston rings. Piston rings, it is used to make a seal after the burning gas is not go to the crank case. So we use a ring, piston ring, and oil of the crankcase is not allowed to go to the cylinder area. So the purpose of piston ring is like a seal which is not not go, not give any path to burn gases or crank oil to the each other side. Okay, thank you very much.